What if everything we know is but a shadow cast by something we cannot see? What if the universe, in all its vastness, is only a faint reflection of a deeper, hidden reality, one that lies just beyond the reach of our senses and our science? These are the questions that haunt the curious mind, echoing in the silence between the stars. This question lingers silent and profound in the vastness of the cosmos. It's a whisper in the void, a reminder of our ignorance. The universe, for all its beauty and wonder, is filled with mysteries that defy explanation. We search for meaning in the patterns of light and shadow, hoping to glimpse the truth behind the cosmic curtain. Yet for every answer we find, 1,000 more questions arise, each more elusive than the last. We stand on the edge of a great abyss, peering into nothingness. The darkness stretches out before us, infinite and unknowable. Among the universe's mysteries, white holes stand out, not as answers, but as reflections of our deepest doubts. They are cosmic riddles, challenging us to imagine realities that defy our everyday experience. We are drawn to them, unable to resist their enigmatic allure. White holes exist as theoretical echoes, the antithesis of black holes, where matter is expelled, not consumed. They represent a kind of cosmic reversal, a place where the rules as we know them seem to break down. The very idea of a white hole invites us to question the boundaries of time, space, and causality. This inversion unsettles us, hinting at a universe beyond our grasp. The concept of white holes is not just a scientific anomaly, but a philosophical challenge. It asks us to consider the possibility that the universe is far stranger than we can imagine, and that our understanding is always incomplete. White holes force us to confront paradoxes, to accept that some questions may never have clear answers. It forces us to confront the limits of our knowledge and our place in the cosmos. In the end, the echo of the unasked question is a call to wonder, a reminder that the universe is not just a collection of facts, but a profound mystery that invites us to keep searching, to keep asking, and to never stop dreaming. In the quiet corners of the universe, a whisper persists, an intuition that reality is deeper than we perceive. It's as if the cosmos itself is trying to tell us a secret, one that lies just beyond the reach of our senses. When we gaze into the darkness, we sense a presence, a subtle hum that hints at hidden layers of existence. The silence of space is not emptiness, but a canvas for mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The void is not empty, but brimming with possibilities, each more mysterious than the last. Here, light and darkness dance in an endless ballet, and time loses meaning. In these vast expanses, the rules we know begin to blur. Gravity twists, matter bends, and the boundaries between what is possible and impossible become indistinct. The cosmic void is a place where imagination and science meet, where every unanswered question leads to 1,000 more. White holes flicker as fleeting phantoms, teasing us with their impossibility. They echo a universe that defies our understanding, urging us to question everything. These enigmatic objects are the mirror image of black holes. Where nothing escapes a black hole's grasp, a white hole expels everything, refusing entry. Their existence challenges our most fundamental beliefs about space and time, and yet they remain elusive, glimpsed only in theory and imagination. As we peer into the void, we confront the vastness of the cosmos, where stars are born and die, galaxies collide and reform. The universe is in constant motion, a grand tapestry woven from the threads of creation and destruction. Each supernova, each merging galaxy is a reminder of the relentless change that shapes everything we know. In this ever-shifting landscape, we search for meaning, for patterns that might reveal our place in the grand design. White holes play a minor yet haunting role in this cosmic theater. They are silent witnesses to the mysteries beyond our reach. Their presence, whether real or imagined, invites us to dream bigger, to imagine realities that stretch the limits of our understanding. In contemplating white holes, we are reminded that the universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we can possibly conceive. In the whispering void, we ponder our place, specks of dust adrift in an ocean of stars. Yet in this emptiness, we find wonder that transcends our limitations. The silence of the cosmos is not a void, but an invitation, a call to explore, to question, and to marvel at the infinite possibilities that await us in the darkness. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, we are but a fleeting thought, a momentary blip in the endless march of time. Our existence, measured against the backdrop of billions of years and trillions of stars, seems almost impossibly brief. The universe stretches out in every direction, a tapestry so immense that even our most ambitious dreams and discoveries are dwarfed by its scale. The universe is vast beyond comprehension, woven from countless stars and galaxies. Each point of light is a distant sun, a beacon of possibility. Some of these suns may host worlds teeming with life, while others burn in solitude, their light traveling for millions of years before reaching us. The sheer number of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, reminds us how small our own solar system truly is. Yet we are a single drop in this cosmic ocean. Our lives are brief, our impact minimal. Earth itself is just a pale blue dot, suspended in a sunbeam surrounded by the infinite darkness. The universe continues its silent expansion, indifferent to our hopes, fears, and ambitions. White holes exist here as theoretical constructs, challenging our understanding of reality. They are echoes of a universe that defies explanation. These mysterious phenomena, if they exist, would be the opposite of black holes, expelling matter and energy instead of consuming it. Their very possibility stretches the limits of our imagination and scientific knowledge. In the face of such scale, we ponder our existence, a small part of a much larger whole. Still, in this vastness, we find meaning and wonder. The universe's enormity does not diminish us. Instead, it invites us to explore, to question, and to marvel at the beauty and mystery that surrounds us. Even as we recognize our insignificance, we are reminded that every moment, every thought, and every discovery is part of the cosmic story. White holes are cosmic mirages, elusive, incomprehensible. They are the antithesis of black holes, expelling matter instead of consuming it. This inversion fascinates and unsettles, hinting at a universe beyond our understanding. White holes exist as theoretical echoes, challenging our perception of reality. They force us to confront the limits of our knowledge. As we delve deeper, we face the possibility that reality is not as it seems. White holes are cracks in the fabric of the universe, suggesting worlds beyond comprehension. In the cosmos, there are cracks in reality, places where the normal rules break down. White holes are one such anomaly, testaments to mysteries beyond comprehension. These cracks remind us of the limits of our knowledge, Here our understanding falters and the universe reveals its true complexity. Exploring white holes, we confront the idea that reality may not be as it seems. They reflect our deepest doubts, urging us to question everything. In the cosmic theater, consciousness is a fleeting spark in the endless expanse of time. It remains a mystery, a phenomenon that challenges our understanding. In this uncertainty, we ponder our place and purpose. Consciousness reminds us of the universe's complexity and our own limitations. As we explore it, we face the possibility that reality is stranger than we imagine. In reflection, we are humbled by our smallness in the grand tapestry of existence. Existence is an unsettling mirror, reflecting our deepest fears and doubts. It reminds us of our smallness in the universe. Here, our understanding falters and the universe's complexity is revealed. Exploring existence, we confront the possibility that reality is not as it seems. This mirror challenges us to question everything we hold dear. In reflection, we are humbled by the mysteries that lie beyond perception. Facing the cosmos, we feel a sense of cosmic dread, a reminder of our insignificance. It highlights the limits of our knowledge and the mysteries beyond comprehension. In this uncertainty, we ponder our place and purpose. Cosmic dread forces us to confront the universe's true complexity. As we reflect, we realize reality may be stranger than we know. Yet, even in dread, we find a sense of wonder. In the silence of the cosmos, a haunting question lingers. Sometimes I find myself quietly unsettled by it. It reminds me, of the limits of our knowledge and the mysteries that might always remain just out of reach. In uncertainty, we ponder our place and significance. Sometimes I wonder if we'll ever truly know. The question humbles us, revealing the universe's complexity, perhaps more than we can ever grasp. As we reflect, we confront the possibility that reality is not as it seems, or maybe it's something we can't yet imagine. And so we ask, what if everything we know is but a shadow cast by something we cannot see? I'm not sure I have the answer. The cosmos leaves us with wonder and the echo of the unasked question. In the end, maybe it's like gazing at a lone figure beneath the stars. We're reminded that embracing mystery is part of being human, and sometimes the search itself is the answer.